Hey there, this is Jake of SurvivalGeek. I'm going to do a product review today. I'm out here next to a pond. This is what they call a Zebco Dock Demon. You heard that right. Dock, as in like a dock you're fishing off of. Demon, as in an evil spirit. This is the Dock Demon Deluxe. It's an open face Spincast reel. Let's see what we have here. Line capacity, 2 pound, 330 yards, 4 pound, 170 yards, 6 pound, 105 yards. But I have actually braided line on here right now, which is kind of feeling like 6 pound test. In reality, it's 40 pound test. What I like about this a lot overall, it's very small, it's very petite. It fits nicely on a pack when you're doing backpacking or want a fishing rod somewhere, wherever you're going to end up, and it's practically indestructible. This guy bends down and he just does not break. You can torture this guy and he does not break. I'm trying to be careful so I don't smack a hook through my finger. But I've picked up some bigger fish with this guy. Been actually quite impressed with it. They run about $20 at Walmart. Picking them up for 20. I think they have a closed face Spincast as well. So the bail opens up as you normally would expect any rod. Grab onto your line. Let me drop this down some. Grab onto your line, pop it open, cast, close it again, or it'll close by itself. Either way. Then I have my drag on the very top. I can set my drag however I want to. And it's pretty well constructed for what it is. This will unscrew so I can take my reel off or change out the reel or do whatever I want to from there. I just wanted something simple. When I'm not camping or whatnot, I carry it with me in my van wherever I go. That way I can quickly access it. Still be able to fish with something without carrying a full-size rig with me wherever I go. So, Dock Demon. Total length, let's see here. I have my tape measure with me somewhere. It must have fallen off. Oh, here it is. Total length. Three foot, 36 inches. And then you can see the how big this guy is as well. It's about 4 inches long for the reel, and I recommend braided line. That way you get a smaller type of line. Braided versus monofilament. Monofilament's downfall is it stretches before it breaks. Braided can get small pinches in the line, or it can become frayed in certain spots, and may cause it to break as well. But I've always preferred braided over monofilament. I've used monofilament for years, and there's nothing wrong with monofilament. I still use it from time to time, but braided for me has just always been stronger. It's a lot smaller, and I get a lot more, better test poundage out of it. And I can still take this off and use it for making L7 snares or twitch-up snares, or even fishing snares. So. Actually got a little piece down here at the bottom as well, and I can click it and it'll actually let it reverse or go forward or reverse without, it'll unlock that locking mechanism down here at the very bottom. It's really petite, but I've never really used that much, but it does come in handy either way. The reel piece can also come off, so I can unscrew this and I can fold this down if necessary to make it more packable. Or it can come off completely and go to the right side or to the left side, depending if you're right-handed or left-handed. I'm right-handed, so it's set up for me already. And that is that. Thanks for hanging around, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Yeah, I did leave the plastic on here, so that way it doesn't get as dirty as quickly, and by the time I take it back off again, it'll look like a newer rod. But yeah. Does work very, very well, and it's extremely sturdy. I have not had anything really break yet. That was me. I turned this. But yeah, Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you guys later.